Hello my dear students. Today let's begin with the first chapter in mathematics, that is basic concepts in geometry. In this chapter you will be studying about point, line, segment, a ray and a plane. So let's begin. Whenever you try making a rangoli, you always think of a flat surface to begin with. Then sometimes we also started by drawing small dots and positioning those dots, which leads to giving us different geometrical designs. So again, in mathematics, the first basic concept is a point. A point is just a tiny dot which can be made by a pen or a sharp pencil. Capital letters of alphabets are used to name a point. In the picture, as you can see, we have point P, point A and point T. The next concept is a line. A line is made up of infinite number of points. The arrowheads on both the sides of the line indicate that it can be extended to infinite distance. That is, any line can be extended to infinity and hence it doesn't have a fixed measurement. A line can be named from both the sides, that is line AB or line BA, as you can see in the picture. The next concept is a segment. A segment is actually a part of line with two fixed ends. If we cut the line and remove a part of the line out with two fixed points, we get a segment. This segment cannot be extended due to the fixed points and hence it has fixed measures. So any segment, whenever we write, we have a particular measure for a segment since it can be measured because it has got two fixed points. A segment can be named from both the points. It can be either segment AB or segment BA. Ray. Ray is again a part of line. It starts at one point and goes forward continuously in one direction. When you see a torch, the rays coming out of the torch, they are actually a type of ray. So ray always emerges from one particular point and it goes on to infinity. Hence we can see that one end of the ray is a dot, a point, and the other end has an arrowhead. This particular point, the fixed end, is also known as the origin. And the ray can be named from the fixed end towards the arrowhead only. So you cannot name the ray from the direction of the arrowhead towards the origin. So it has to be ray XY, and in the next example it's ray QP. You can't name it as PQ as the direction of the arrowhead is towards P. So the origin point is point Q. So it has to be named from the point of origin, that is QP. And the next part, the basic concept, is a plane. Always we draw anything, we draw figures or we draw any point, it has to be on a flat surface. And that flat surface in geometry is known as a plane. A plane is a flat two-dimensional surface which extends infinitely. It can be named with a single capital letter. For example, plane H or plane A or plane Y, etc. Sometimes we also show arrowheads on all the four sides of a plane to indicate that it extends to infinity. So that's all we study today in this video. I hope children you all have understood the basic concepts in geometry, and the further concepts of this chapter we'll be studying in the next video.